Hi, this is Jennifer Griffin with GoFetch Marketing, and this is a short video tutorial for the network of entrepreneurial women. This video will show them how to check the current count on their monthly event attendees, and then I'll also show you how to download a final RSVP list. So the first thing you want to do is log into Eventbrite, and I'll send that information under a different email, the login and password. But then once you are logged in, you just go to the little profile pic, click the down arrow, click Manage Events, and the most recent event will always pop up. It happens to be December 11th was our last event, so you'll see that 25 tickets were sold. That's how you can always change the count or check the count on that. It's as simple as that. When you're ready for the event to start and you want to download the attendee list, once again, let's click on, well, actually, let's go back to the beginning again. Hit Eventbrite, they'll take you to the home page. Click the profile pic again. Hit Manage Events. Click on the actual event itself. And then you're in the event dashboard. Under here, you want to go over to the left side and hit Manage Attendees. And then you want to scroll down to Attendee List. And then it'll ask you if you want the list to be by first name, ticket type, last name. Always do last name. And then all you have to do is download list as a PDF. Click on that. And now my Mac downloads it, opens it, and then I have to download it again. I think it'll work different depending on what system you're on, and then I just download it to my downloads folder and I turn around and email it. So I don't know exactly how whatever system you're on will do it, but it's as simple as just clicking on attendee list and hitting download. That's this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks.